Hello everyone, this is Tech20 and we have another video here for you. We're going to learn how to put part of an Excel spreadsheet into a Word document. So you have here kind of like a report, like our tool inventory. So if we need to report this back to somebody or something like that, or we just want to put it into a spreadsheet or put it into a Word document, I'm going to go and walk through how to do that. So today what we're just going to do is just go ahead and highlight it, drag it down, and then we're going to right click on it, or we can just do Control C to copy, but we'll just go ahead and do it from here. You see the little ants start going around here. We're going to go ahead and go to our Word document, and then we are going to take a look at our Word document here, and we're going to go ahead and do Control V, which is to paste that. And as you can see, that is pasted. However, we don't have that line between on hand and item, so we doesn't really differentiate between the two. So what we want to do is just go ahead and make sure that that's differentiated, right? Or we can leave it like this. It's really up to you, but if this works for you, great. If not, we're gonna go ahead and go back to our original spreadsheet here. Hit escape to get those little ants to quit dancing around. Then we're gonna go ahead and highlight the area where we want to put the grid lines. Come up here to formatting for borders. And then we're going to go ahead and select our line color. Now I've already selected blue. That's the line color, but you can select any color that you want from here. Or you can leave it, the standard is black or automatic is black. And then you're going to select the all borders option here. So just go and click on all borders. It'll put that line there. And then we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Highlight the whole thing. Control C. See the little ants, you know it's copied. Come back to your Word document and Control V to paste it. And you'll see that line is there to differentiate. However you prefer to have it done is really a personal preference choice. Hopefully this information was helpful to you. If you did, please leave a like, hit thumbs up, subscribe, leave me in the comments anything you want me to see me cover. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.